You're right out radiator too.
Yeah man, I made it off everything already. I carry run my pipe up, clean it up already, you know.
Yeah. Well, I time I buy one car up in Portland, you know. I think it was after Corona, little after Corona. Buy a car. It's like they have the car and it's overheat. And I don't know why problem. You know. Everything else good with it. But they must sell it a little and nothing. And I say, I go take the risk and buy. I'm going to buy and I drive it, I come. We are Portland to them go buy. So I drive it, I get the red light in the dashboard. I say, Jaja. From the day I buy it, from the day I service the radiator and sell it. Never overheat, but I'm a figure say that's why them just sell it for little or nothing, you know. They overeat with them and I don't know exactly what happened to you. Yeah, a feature. Put it up on my channel on YouTube. Put your work on my channel on YouTube.
Why to the amount of man that come I mean really. I'm lucky you come me sit down the back side.
Jaja.
Yeah, to the amount.
You know, one fit.
The amount of man that come at the time. Not even yesterday me not come in because me come at the and the amount of man that is there.
Jaja.
Me just take a rest.
I know say one of my brethren them I tell the East what me have and he tell me if you can check your person.
I hear me okay
Never know, so no really the man of
in a lot of days. Years.
Because I even coming here so this morning and turn and I go back up and one man said out when I guide him up and him bring me down here so never know so really.
You pass before them building up man. And just them building here come set up and block out the place. You have to have about 30, 40 years.
Yeah.
But then building here come building
before I was born.
Yeah man, before you're born. I mean the radiator works way back when I hear this.
Want a buckle of coolant, so boy.
Coolant from Mr. T, $500 a coolant.
RBS.
No, ILB. You don't know how much. The ILB is cheap over margin.
Up Ashley.
Over Ashley, yes. Okay, so the ILB. One man message the fan down and go for Ashley to buy ILB.
Jaja.
Oh, yes, yes.
Yeah, my boss.